Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sophia.
And my name is Maya. It's an incredible day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our track team will compete at Bayside today at 4 p.m.
Students, Panther Prep Saturday School begins Saturday, April 13th from 8:30 to 12:30 and will run until May 18th.
Students can attend teacher-led sessions to help prepare for the EOCs and state testing.
Students will also be able to use school computers to work on course recovery.
Heritage Saturday School will provide a light breakfast options and lunch. See flyer for details.
Panthers, Black Student Union is holding a t-shirt fundraiser.
You can place your order at the following site.
The deadline for short money is Friday, April 5th. We will be tabling tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday.
You do not need to be in the club to buy a shirt, so tell your friends and family and support BSU.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!